I recently crossed $100,000 a month in revenue from multiple AI businesses, an agency, a consulting program, and several apps. I run them all with Claude and use my personal brand to bring in new clients while I sleep. In this video, I'm going to show you the exact 5-step playbook I'd run if I had to start a one-person AI business and personal brand from zero today. We're going to start off with going over the Claude stack I'd use to find a profitable idea and then build a grand slam offer around it. Then the personal brand engine I'd build so leads come to me instead of me sending thousands of emails, outreach messages for just one book call. And then the honey trap funnel that's already getting my mentees paying clients with just under 2,000 followers. And if you stick to the real end, we will be going over a custom AI operating system that can run your content engine for you. Before we go through the action plan, why do you even need a one-person AI business in this economy? Well, for starters, there's been over 67,000 job layoffs in 2026, and we are in a time where Claude Code is replacing mid-level engineers, business analysts, and even senior management. I know this because I'm currently working with the 5th largest roofing company in America, and I'm replacing their sales managers with AI sales managers and their insurance team with AI insurance agents. So the best way to survive this AI storm is not to just hope you're not in the next round of layoffs, but to be proactive and use your skills to build a successful one-person AI business. And then add a personal brand, which we will touch on more later in the video, as you know, a personal brand is one of the highest ROI plays you can do as a business owner. See, the truth is you already have a lot of the skills that are needed to be successful in the AI business world, but you just don't know how to channel them into real clients and sales. And honestly speaking, one-person AI businesses and personal brand is what allowed me to quit my own job, travel the world, live my dream life, and work on my own terms, and I don't have to answer to a guy in a suit or a girl. I love women, so equality. So the first step to get to that successful AI business is figuring out your idea. And here's how I would do that with Claude. I would pass this prompt into Claude Cowork. It tells Claude that you are a world-class one-person AI business coach for 9-to-5 workers, kind of like me, and you optimize one-person businesses that lead to a high-margin lifestyle. You have a section to enter your skills, interests, and your beliefs, and we're not going to fill this out just yet, but we're going to tell Claude Cowork to make this into a skill. This way, we can use the exact ideation process as many times as you want without having to enter this whole fat prompt in again. Once the skill is made, we can see in action. See, by having this as a skill, you can repeat this as many times as you want. This is what most YouTubers don't tell you, and is what's keeping you behind. So now that it's asking us to give more context on our skills and interests, we can just do so. And now it's asking us a couple of clarifying questions, like a world-class business coach should. With all the input, this is the final output I got. And honestly, this idea is pretty amazing and you can steal it and go ahead. It's building AI operations for courses, communities, and cohorts that are earning 6 to 7 figures a year. It says that we can charge about $3.5K a month just to provide an AI solution that helps them run their cohort or community or course. Now, it's funny that this was the idea presented because for those who don't know, I run a mentorship program where I've helped 200 plus 9-to-5 workers build and scale AI businesses from scratch. Here are two of my mentees. One is Trombone Tim and the other is Talha. Each made over $5,000 selling AI solutions to coaches. Tim built an AI email system plus dashboard, and Talha built this cool platform, and both use Claude Code for it, and neither are previously software engineers. That's the magic. If you want to work with me one-on-one to get results like Tim and Talha, click the first link in description. Okay, now that you've got your business idea, here comes arguably the most important part. Most people confuse creating content with building a personal brand. They're not the same thing. Creating content is just hitting record. Building a personal brand is positioning yourself so that when someone in your niche needs help, your face is the first one that pops in their head. If you're building AI voice agents for plumbers, you better be known as the AI voice plumbing guy. And here's a trap nobody warns you about. You can't outsource positioning to AI. Claude can write your scripts, it can edit your videos, it can design your thumbnails, and I'll show you a system that I built later on in the video that actually does that. But Claude cannot tell you what makes you uniquely you. That's the human part, right? That's the launch the rocket part. You have to be the one launching the rocket. You're a human. So before you film a single thing, sit down and answer 3 questions for yourself. 1, why does your personal brand even exist? What's the mission? For me, it's simple. I want to show developers, technical people, and 9-to-5 workers that you don't have to grind in corporate America for the next 30 years. I left my corporate job and I'd never go back. I want you to see that that's possible. The second question I want you to ask, what makes you actually different? Or what is something you are doing that's atypical? Not what makes you a better creator, right? What makes you the human, weird, and specific in a way that's instantly recognizable. For example, one of my mentees, Neymar, has been growing his app Totsi using AI UGC avatars. He literally got 1 million views on this reel. So now he can position himself as someone that has experience in AI UGC, and he can launch AI UGC related businesses, whether it be a SaaS, consulting, anything of the sort. For my other mentee Shri, it's the way he breaks down AI builds for client-facing audiences. Because of just 10 reels and one getting 17,000 views, he got leads coming in already. Find the thing that's already weird or unique about you, or that you can do very easily and show people very easily, and lean all the way into it. I mean, look at this format. It's really not hard to make, just a simple split screen. And finally, the third question: what gap can you fill in your niche? What is a video you can create that isn't already done? Now, I have a Claude idea skill that I use that analyzes the content that others in my niche are posting and uses that to figure out what videos I could make that are similar, but still different enough where they are filling in a gap. That is a full skill. I'll have it for free in the description, but here's an example output of it. I had to ideate a video for me for this app that myself and my mentee Aaron worked on called Subclimb. And this is the report that it came up with. First, it analyzes my channel and looks at what videos were working for my niche and my business's niche, which is Reddit growth. Of course, you don't have a YouTube channel, and that's totally fine, because what it also does is it looks in your niche, not just YouTube, but also general web, at what topic your video is based on and how other videos with similar topics and similar niches are performing. You see right here, it goes over trending titles so you can have good packaging for your video, as well as common themes so you know what you really want to emphasize as you create your video and package it. It then comes up with 9 video ideas. This idea, how to land your first AI client on Reddit. See, a lot of videos are about landing your first client and they've worked well on YouTube and Instagram, so I totally understand why that's the #1 idea. There's a bunch of other ideas that you can see right here that have come in that are similar to high performing content of your competitors, but unique enough where it'll help you stand out. And this is all pretty cool. I mean, considering this would originally take you 3 hours plus to do, and imagine you get all 3 hours back and you just have to spend like 30 minutes. And as you post more content on Reddit growth, you will become known as a Reddit growth guy or some derivative of that, which will lead to more leads and sales for your Reddit business. Now that you know your topics, the question is the format. This is the technical details that will cause your personal brand to explode or get 10 views per post. A format is the shape of your content. Why did I do that? The hook structure, the pacing, the visual style, whether it's a talking head, a screen share walkthrough, a time-lapse build, an over-the-shoulder screen record, a reaction, a roast, a case study breakdown. Topic gets you maybe 30% of the way, format does the other 70%. So here's a move. You don't invent a format, you steal one. He said stealing. And the cool part is you don't need Claude for this part. Yes, I know, finally some human interaction. We're still useful. What you have to do is go pick 3 to 5 creators in your niche, not just the giants, but the mid-sized ones too, because their wins are easier to replicate. Then look at their outliers, right? The videos that hit way above the channel's average, and notice a format pattern that keeps repeating. Is it always an I tried X for 30 days structure? Always a screen record build? Always a face to camera with a whiteboard? Whatever pattern keeps producing wins for them is a proven format for that niche, or one of the proven formats. Then all you have to do is replicate that format and change the angle. The container stays the same, the contents are yours. That's how you want to think of this. And to find the outliers that I mentioned, I use a free version of vidIQ, and this isn't sponsored, I just genuinely use them. A great example is Shri. This format was a calculated format. I used to use this format and I got over millions of views. I had other people in my network who also use this format and were able to get paying clients with it. So I had Shri copy the format, and this is how that reel led to a lead for him. Now my idea skill is able to find outliers and do a lot of the planning for you, but the biggest things that it is missing are format creation, which we just talked about, and thumbnails. So speaking on thumbnails are visual. They live in pixels, not text. So for thumbnails specifically, I use a tool, and again, it's not sponsored. I use a tool called 1 of 10. It shows high converting thumbnails in your niche for video topics. It'll show you the format, the angle, the thumbnail. You just steal the proven shape and again, make the content yours. And now it's time for my second to last step, which is my honey trap funnel that turns your viewers into sales for your AI business at scale. On platforms like Instagram, there are meta-approved tools that will directly send your business website to people who comment a keyword under your post. Here's an example. I posted a short form reel showing one of the AI operating systems I built with Claude, my content OS. The reel ends with a CTA that says comment system to get the breakdown. Anyone who comments triggers my tool, which DMs them automatically with a link to the landing page. In my case, the landing page only has a Calendly embed, but what you can have is just a buy the system outright option to like pay, who knows, $1,000 to buy this. And that's the entire funnel. Your Instagram reel, an AI tool to reply to people, send it to the landing page, and then they either book a call with you or buy the product outright. Neymar is running this exact funnel for his app. Same pattern, different platform, different niche, but the personal brand is a honey and the funnel is a trap, and the clients just fly on in. Now, before we talk about the last step, the fact that you're still watching means that you are genuinely serious about all this. And see, there are other parts in the personal brand process that we didn't talk about, such as scripting, repackaging content, repurposing, that you do need to know. But if you don't want to learn all that, you can use this content OS that I built with several AI employees that do all the scripting, ideating, research, and more for you. They are trained on years worth of data on high converting content. You just tell the employees literally what to do. And I built this with Claude Code. I spent a long time on this, and I'm only making it available for my mentees. So if you want to work with me one-on-one to build a powerful AI business and personal brand, use AI systems like Content OS to move faster than anyone else in this space, and have high performing content like these videos right here, then click the first link in the description. And if you want to see me build a powerful one-person AI business for a stranger live, watch this video next.